Corn, a staple crop that feeds millions around the world. But not all corn is harvested the same way. This is traditional corn harvesting. With basic tools and a lot of manual labor, farmers pick corn one cob at a time. It's slow, exhausting, and time-consuming. And this is modern harvesting. With powerful machines, entire fields can be cleared in a matter of hours, faster, more efficient, and less physically demanding. Technology transforms agriculture, but access to modern equipment isn't equal everywhere. Many farmers still rely on age-old methods due to cost and availability. Whether by hand or by machine, one thing stays the same: